In this video I want to go over the rib cage. Okay, so let's start with the sternum, the very front. You can see the parts of the sternum. This little notch right here is called the jugular notch. This is the manubrium. This line right here separates the manubrium from the body of the sternum, and it's called the sternal angle. And then when you come down to the very bottom, this is called the xiphoid process. So those are the parts of the sternum. Now you have 12 ribs. The first 7 are true ribs, meaning they make direct contact to the sternum with cartilage. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the 7th has direct connection. They're called vertebral sternal ribs. The 2 or 3 below that, 8, 9, and 10, these kind of share a connection to number 7. So they don't have a direct connection to the sternum, so they're called false ribs. The last 2, which you can see here and then under here, those are the 11th and 12th ribs. Those are floating ribs, so those don't even come around to the front. Now the ribs attach to the thoracic vertebrae, and basically you can see the connection point here. Let me turn it around. That's going to be touching the costal facet on the transverse process, and then the rib attaches to the body right here and here. That's the costal facets on the body. So there's these costal facets that you only find on thoracic vertebrae. Okay, so that's the parts of the rib cage.